Welcome to Frywall Fridays. Today we're making miso-marinated cod fillets. It sounds fancy, it tastes fancy, but it's super easy to make. Our key ingredient is white miso paste, which is fermented soybeans. These have an amazing rich flavor and have a lot of that umami richness that gives the dish its real kind of depth and dimensionality. So we have about 2 tablespoons of the miso paste. We have some wine, some mirin wine, which is sweet Japanese wine, and some brown sugar. And that's going to be our marinade. We're going to mix all of that together. And we're going to baste the fish with that. We have our marinade nicely incorporated, and now we're ready to brush our fish with the marinade. We're going to brush both sides of the fish, and we're going to marinate these for a minimum of half hour, preferably an hour. If you have the time, I would go ahead and marinate these actually overnight. This marinade smells amazing. It has an earthy, fermented odor, a little bit like a really good India Pale Ale. Now I'll cover these in cellophane and put them in the fridge. Our cod has been marinating in the fridge for about an hour. It is ready to cook up. We're gonna pan fry it on a hot skillet for about 3 minutes per side, and then we're gonna put it in a 400-degree oven to finish cooking for about 2 or 3 minutes. I have my pan preheated and the oil is shimmering hot. I'm gonna go ahead and lay these babies right into the oil. My fish has gone for about 3 minutes. I kind of wish at this point that I had used a non-stick pan, but let's see how this goes. It's a little bit stuck, might fall apart a little bit. That's okay, it's still gonna taste wonderful, and hopefully the second fillet here will come out a little bit more easily. The fillets have gone for about 2 minutes on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and get these into the oven. The fish is ready to come out. So these are absolutely beautiful. So without the skin, the cod can fall apart a bit, but that's okay. Flakiness becomes all the more apparent. You still have this wonderful char. You can see that there. The miso gets beautifully browned. And then we're just going to garnish that with some fresh cilantro leaves, and also, if you happen to have them, you can also put on some sesame seeds. This obviously works super well with rice on the side. Maybe a little salad of cucumbers and rice vinegar. Enjoy! Miso-marinated cod.